Okay, converting degree to radian. So we have to multiply pi radian over 180 degree because degree we can cancel out. Then it becomes 84 pi over 180. Do not plug in pi. You have to be simplify 84 over 180 using calculator. It is 7 over 15, so it becomes 7 pi over 15 radian. Okay, there's no degree notation, which is meaning 13 pi over 12 is radian. We know pi is 180 degree. I just plug in, and you have to be simplified 13 multiple 180 over 12. So this is going to be 195. So 195 degree. Evaluate cosine negative 25 pi over 3. Cosine sine, this is our angle, right? So first we have to find coterminal between 0 and 2 pi. So negative 25 pi over 3 is negative 1500 degree. Coterminal is difference of 360 multiple, right? So this is negative, so I add in 360, still negative. I add in 360, still negative, negative 780 degrees. So I add in 360, still negative. I add in 360, still negative. I add in 360, 300 degree. So in other words, cosine negative 25 pi over 3 value is the same thing cosine 300 degree. So unit circle cosine is unit circle 300. You have to find cosine value. It becomes 1 over 2. So this is our cosine value. Okay, we want to find amplitude period following the function. So we know y equal a sine bx plus c case amplitude absolute value a and period is 2 pi over absolute value b. In this case, a is 3 and b is x in here, right? 3 over 2. So I can find amplitude absolute value 3 is 3 and period is 2 pi over absolute value b, so 2 over 3. We multiply both sides is 3 in here, so 3 cancel out. Then 6 pi over 2, so 3 pi. So amplitude 3, period 3 pi. Number 7, we want to find same thing amplitude and period. So like a cosine case is like is sine. We know amplitude absolute value a and period is 2 pi over absolute value b. So a is negative 5, b is 2. So amplitude absolute value negative 5 is 5 and period is 2 pi over b, so pi or 180 degree. Using calculator, we evaluate this value. Okay, cosine, sine, cosecant, secant, tangent, cotangent. This one is angle, but there is no degree, which is meaning this is radian. So you have to be mode has to be radian. And cosecant negative 0.6 is cosecant is 1 over sine, so 1 over sine minus 0.6. Then we got negative 1.7710. Your practice number 14, find the length of arc. So you can find the formula in your paper. Subtended by central angle of 135 degree on a circle of radius 4 meter. So to do this, we have to be express angle is in radian expression. So 135 degree multiple pi over 180. So in that case, degree, we can cancel out. 135 over 180 become 3 over 4. So 3 pi over 4. This is our angle. From here, we know radius is 4 meter, angle is 3 pi over 4. Arc length formula is r theta. So 4 multiple 3 pi over 4. So 4 cancel out, 3 pi. This is going to be length of arc. Okay, practice number 18. Tom is riding a bike with 14 inches diameter wheel, which are rotating 6 revolutions per second. What is his linear speed in feet per minute? Okay, so unit has to be feet, distance is feet, and time is minute. Okay, we know first is what? Diameter is 14 inch, which is meaning is radius is what? 14 inches over 2, 7 inches. But we have to change feet. So we divide 12, 7 over 12 feet. Okay, this is my radius. We know another thing is number of revolution per unit time. In this case, 6 revolution per second. But we have to be changing its minute. Minute is consists of 6 seconds, right? Each second, 6 revolutions. So total 1 minute, 6 multiple 60 revolution. So 360 revolution per minute. We matching its unit, right? So first we have to find angular speed. Angular speed is 2 pi multiple revolution per minute. So 2 pi multiple 360. So 720 pi radian per minute. This is angular speed. Then linear speed is angular speed multiple radius. So radius 7 over 12 multiple angular speed 720 pi. If you plug in your including its pi, your calculator, it is approximate 1,319.47 feet per minute. This is our answer. Okay, so graph is this, but they give you the information. This is x interval, minimum -2 pi, x value, you have to be window size matching. Maximum is 2 pi, scale is pi over 2, and y is, look at this is maybe 5 to what, -5, right? And scale is 1. Okay, plug in. And is which one is matching is this graph. So you have to use your calculator. Okay, so which one is correct? So in my case, I can get is y equal cosecant x. Case I got graph is looks like this. Okay. Graph y equal -5 cosine 2x minus pi over the domain. So this is x value. So x minimum, you have to window side is -2 pi, and x maximum 2 pi, y x scale pi over 2, and y scale is 1. Okay, you have to be putting this and plug in your calculator. Okay, then I got a graph is looks like this. So you have to be find which one is correct. Okay. So this is, you can find is A. This is number 20. Okay, your practice problem number 21 to 23. So we want to find the value indicate the trigonometric function of angle theta with which is in standard position with terminal side passing through point 12, -5. So this is my x value, this is my y value. We have to find r. R is r squared equal to x squared plus y squared. R squared is 169. So r is square root to 169, 13. So sine value is y over r. So -5 over 13. Cosine value is x over r, 12 over 13. Be careful, cotangent is what? X over y. So -12 over 5. So this is going to be our sine, cosine, cotangent value. Given sine is -√3 over 2 for angle in fourth quadrant. Find the exact value of cotangent theta. So fourth quadrant is meaning x value is positive, y value is negative, right? And sine is -√3 over 2. So sine is y over r, so y is -√3, r is 2. We have to find is x. So x squared plus -√3 over square equal to 4. This square is 3. So x squared plus 3 equal to 4. So x squared equal to 1. But x has to be positive, so x is 1. Cotangent is y over y. X over y. So 1 over -√3. So we multiply both sides, square root 3. Square root 3 multiple square root 3 is 3. So -√3 over 3. This is our cotangent value. Cotangent graph, we're going to be find the asymptote and x-intercept between -2 pi, 2 pi. I put in is x minimum -2 pi, maximum is 2 pi, and its scale is pi over 2. that case, it looks like this. So this is 0, and this is pi, 2 pi. This is negative pi, and this is negative 2 pi. Okay, so x-intercept is in here, 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 right? So we know x-intercept is between that. So this is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, negative pi over 2, negative 3 pi over 2. Asymptote is graph is going up, going down, right? Going up. So it is in here, asymptote negative 2 pi, in here, negative pi, in here, 0, and pi, and 2 pi. So a tree casts a shadow of 28 meters when the angle of elevation of the sun is 25 degrees. Find the height of a tree to the nearest 100 of a meter. Okay, so I'm going to draw the picture. So this is a tree, and this is a shadow. So this is looks like it's a right triangle, right? And its shadow is distance is 28. Elevation, which meaning it look up and goes, this is 25 degrees. Okay, so we want to find is this height. So this is angle. This is opposite, right angle case. We have to be SOHCAHTOA. This is adjacent. So we have to use tangent. Tangent 25 degree opposite over adjacent, h over 28. So we multiply both sides 28. So h is 28, tangent 25 degree. So h is going to be approximate is 13.06. Be make sure mode has to be degree. Okay, so plug in your calculator, you can find 13.06. Okay, we want to find exact value of cosine inverse negative 1 over 2. Inverse is we want to find its angle. So I know sometimes we have to find radian, but make sure its mode is degree because it is much easier to figure it out. So cosine inverse negative 1 over 2, then I got it 120 degree. So we can change it. This is radian, so 2 pi over 3. Okay, find exact value of sine of cosine inverse 2 over 7. So outside the function is most important. We want to find sine. So this is angle. So let theta is cosine inverse 2 over 3. What this is meaning is cosine theta equal 2 over 7. Cosine is x over r. So x is 2, r is 7. We have to find is y. So 2 squared plus y squared equal to 7 squared. We subtract both sides is 4. So y squared equal 49 minus 4, 45. We taking both sides square root. Y is square root to 49. 49 is 9 multiplied 5. Square root to 9 is 3. So 3 is square root to 5. We want to find sine cosine inverse 2 over 7. So this is theta, sine theta. Sine theta is y over r. So y, 3 square root of 5 over r is 7. So this is our sine value. Okay, cosine 2x, cosine 3x, minus sine 2x, sine 3x. Okay, so for trig function. So this is a sum and difference. You have to find sum and difference formula. This is a cosine sum. So cosine 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x is 5x, cosine 5x. Number 39, we want to find exact value of cosine 2x. This is double angle. We have to find double angle. What we know, sine x equal 3 over 5. So cosine double angle case, there's 3 formula, but I'm going to using is only sine case, which is meaning I can use 1 minus 2 sine square x. So sine x value is 3 over 5. So I plug in 3 over 5 to the square. And it becomes 1 minus 18 over 25. It is 7 over 25. This is our double angle value. Okay, given this condition, we want to find exact value of sine alpha beta. This is a sine sum and difference formula, right? So first we have to find the alpha case and beta case. Alpha is second quadrant, which is meaning x value negative, y value positive. And cosine alpha is negative 4 over 5. Cosine is x over r. So x is negative 4, r is 5. The Pythagorean combination is 3, 4, 5, right? So y has to be positive 3. How about beta? Beta is fourth quadrant, x value positive, y value negative. Sine beta is negative 5 over 13, so y is negative 5, r is 13. Another Pythagorean combination, 5, 12, 13, so x is 12. Sine alpha plus beta, we can expand it. Sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. Okay, alpha case, this sine alpha is 3 over 5, y over r. Cosine beta is x over r, so negative 4 over 5. So we find is this. Okay, using its beta case, cosine beta, x over r, 12 over 13. Sine beta is y over r, negative 5 over 13. You plug in your calculator this, then is we got 56 over 65. So find the equivalent expression of this one. Okay, this is your practice problem 54. Too convenient, I'm going to use c is cosine x, s is sine x. So numerator, c minus s to the square. So square is what? C minus s multiple c minus s, right? We're going to be expanded, pull it out, c square, cs, sc is cs, plus s square. So this is same. So negative 2 cosine sine, right? So it looks like this. But one of our identity is what? Cosine square plus sine square is always is 1. So it becomes 1 minus 2 cosine sine, right? And also one bottom denominator 1 minus sine 2x. This is what? Double angle, right? So using your formula paper, sine double angle, so sine 2x is 2 cosine x sine x. It looks like that. So original expression is numerator, simplify 1 minus 2 cosine x sine x over denominator simplify 1 minus 2 cosine x sine x. It looks is the same, right? So I'm going to cancel out. It becomes 1. To solve the equation, first we're going to be move everything is one side. We're going to be subtract cosine x. There's a two term. Both terms have cosine x. Take out cosine x. Become cosine x multiple to cosine x minus 1. So we know is cosine x equal to 0 or cosine x equal to 1 over 2. So unit circle, we have to find cosine x equal to 0 case. So unit circle, we have to find the point when x value is 0. It becomes pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. Same way, cosine x equal to 1 over 2 case, pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. So we have 4 solutions. Your practice problem 51, the area of a triangle such that A is 24, B is 28, C is 36 feet. Okay, we know 3 sides, right? So using his formula, when you look at his formula paper, you can find the triangle area formula. So first we have to find S. S is 4 summation divided 2. So this is 44. So I plug in my formula, square root S, 44, S minus A, 44 minus 24, 44 minus B, 28, 44 minus C, 44 minus 36. If you plug in your calculator, it is approximately 336 square feet.